Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And of course, welcome to an update on Dymension. All right, one of the biggest launches in the last couple of months. I wouldn't say it's the biggest one, but it's a big one. All right, and it's actually pretty bullish right now. In general, there's a lot of eyeballs on that. A lot of people want to trade this. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. Now, I did a video on that yesterday as well. Yesterday, I was doing the 1 minute time frame. Right now we can do the 5 minute time frame, so we have a little bit more conviction in the analysis, but I do want to say that if you're a little bit of an experienced trader or a little bit of an experienced analyst, whatever, you know that the 5 minute time frame is usually not sufficient. All right, so take this analysis with a grain of salt. But I said that yesterday as well. The last couple of times I analyzed these newer cryptos, there actually was some value in analyzing it very prematurely. To gain some sort of an overview of how the price is behaving, catching some early breakouts, etc., etc. So that's what we'll talk about as well today. We had a bit of bearish momentum earlier today, basically since yesterday evening, after Dymension failed to get a breakout after 5.5, or we did get a breakout, but it did not really sustain. And then the second time 5.5 just broke, which I thought was the main support level yesterday. But yeah, like I said, gave support the first time. Not enough momentum, broke through. And since then, it turned into a little bit of a bearish market structure. Arguably, this is still neutral. It's still a balance. It's still a consolidation. But still, it's interesting to see. Had to reset my camera real quick. If you want to know more about Dymension, by the way, and just in general more about crypto, consider joining my second channel. Right, this is fully focused on real informative reviews, all right, so whether a crypto is up to any good, whether you should potentially buy it, etc. Check that out. I just posted a full review on that on Dymension. But now let's focus on Dymension itself. I mean, what we're seeing right now is the typical playbook, right? I mean, the open interest, which you cannot see right there, but the open interest for Dym is slowly creeping up. I'm actually not sure where you can trade Dymension right now. I would say it's probably going to be live on all major perpetual future exchanges. Volume right now is getting towards $500 million at $420 million right now. So yeah, this is slowly increasing. That means that more and more capital is being built up into the price. That means more volatility is coming, and we all know at least the EVM and Cosmos airdrops, airdrop cryptos tend to perform very well at some point of time. All right, almost all of them rallied at some point of time. Now I know Jupiter is the most recent airdrop, but that's I would classify that as a Solana airdrop. And Solana airdrops right now, like Jito, haven't done too well. So the big question is well, all right, what level does Dymension need to break so that we can actually have some confirmation that we're going to rally? Because there is room for some sort of a rally. I mean, whether you think these valuations are fair or not, that's a crypto thing, all right? But Dymension in the area of crypto, I do think it deserves some sort of like $1 billion market cap, maybe a bit higher, that it spikes up there and then drops down. So there is potential in terms of some sort of a price move. And the major level I'm looking at is this level right here at 5.5 again. Now, if we look at some sort of a volume profile, this is not the ideal one we have. But then you'll see that I would say, again, 5.5, even though the value area ends at 5.8, I would say that's enough. And especially the breakout we just had at 5.2, also above this little trend line, which I wouldn't say is too valid, but still, we broke out of that, is also showing us some signs that a breakout is coming. So I still think that we need some confirmation. Also, if you look technically at this level right here at 5.4 all the way up to, let's say, 5.6, I think we still need to break above that. Do I think we can break above that? Yes. But without confirmation, it's not going to happen. All right. So I'd really wait for that breakout. And if we are able to break above that, and can I please find this? Yeah. So if Dym does break above that, 5.5, 5.4, 5.6, then we can actually rally back up to the previous highs, and probably then up to like 6.5, I would say. That's my conservative price target. But for now, I still think we're in this consolidation. All right, so the market structure right now is a consolidation. I think that will hold for now, but at some point of time, I do expect a breakout. So something like this. And I'll keep you updated. I mean, if my thoughts change, if I think we need to break out from a level higher or lower, etc., then I'll keep you updated. But for now, I think this is what you need to know about Dymension. If you do have any questions, then let me know, of course, down in the comments. And in there, you can also find out more about my premium and signal group to find out when I'll enter a trade on Dymension, which I don't think is when it breaks above 5.5. I think that's a good sign, but the risk reward in my eyes is pretty limited still. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.